I want to be a part of teaching the next generation of kids, or getting them stimulated into the STEM fields, and it's rather important. It's the most important in my opinion.
Everything is important when it comes to the NNSS reaching out to help the next generation. NNSS volunteer Michael Hanash wants kids fired up every time.
Yeah, they've been pretty excited.
3, 2, 1, go.
Whoa! That was cool.
Pretty excited, that's the idea. NNSS volunteers come up with some great ways to help the less fortunate people in our communities, like depositing food into boxes at 3 Square Food Bank. Almost 600 local families will find it easier to get good meals thanks to 3 Square and our volunteers. When Rebuilding Together requested resources, NNSS volunteers responded to help provide critical home repairs for a local veteran. We helped make a house a home. Rebuilding Together helps with home repairs for veterans, low-income seniors, and people with disabilities. If you're ever interested in a watchdog, watch this. NNSS volunteers helped out at the Animal Foundation. Volunteers made treats, helped with toys, and created comfortable cages. People smiled and tails wagged, and all it took was a pause for a little love and attention.
The NNSS set our sights to new heights at this year's Aviation Nation Air Show hosted by Nellis Air Force Base.
Yeah, we're just basically introducing ourselves to people. You know, we're here on Nellis Air Force Base. Just a good way to introduce ourselves to the community and give them a chance to see us. Maybe someday some of these kids will be future employees here, get a chance to know them, share our experiences. I've only been here for about 8 years, but I love my experience out here and getting people knowing what we do so that we have future potential to bring people into it. But I think it's also important to get kids excited about the potential for what they're able to do. Kids are pretty excited. I've had a lot of kids excited to find out what it is that we do, and you know, just give kids opportunities to learn about possibilities for the future. I think is a great thing.
Girls and women belong in all of these fields.
At this year's STEAM convention, over 300 Girl Scouts got to learn from professionals in the science, technology, engineering, arts, and mathematics career fields, which included 2 of our very own, one a scientist and the other a senior engineer, both of who are the few women in their career fields. During the 2019 holiday season, the NNSS partnered with Toys for Tots, where employees donated over 30 bicycles and 7 barrels of toys. We didn't stop there. Through the Angel Tree program, over $2,500 worth of new toys and gifts were donated. While throughout the NNSS, various organizations donated gifts to several military families stationed at Nellis and Creech Air Force Base.
Giving back to those in need
makes everyone feel terrific. Whether it's volunteering in our community, inspiring the future of our youth, or making a child's holiday a little brighter, the NNSS will lead the way.